Alright, so I'm back again to share another idea that I came up with. I call this Through the Matrix. So I have 4 coins here. Then on the back of this one, there's an invisible hole. So I'll make this coin pass through here. Watch. Then this one also has a hole underneath. And this one as well. So basically these coins have passed through the invisible holes. And of course for the last one, so 1, 2, 3, and there you go. So that's it. This one is a 4 coins through table. So basically there are 3 coins here. Then watch this one. I'll make it pass through right here. So watch. Then this one I'll make it pass through in reverse. And the same with this one. So that's it. And wait, there you go. So that's that.